In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move faster through Edgenuity lesson without breaking any rules. If you have ever wished you could breeze through content a bit quicker, this video is for you. First, let's get one thing clear. There's no official skip button in Edgenuity. This platform is designed to make sure students watch the full lesson. But don't worry, there are still smart ways to save time. Many schools allow variable playback speed. Look for the gear icon in the video player and try setting it to 1.5x or even 2x speed. This lets you get through lessons faster while still paying attention. So make sure to take accurate notes during the video. If you do well on the built-in quizzes, the system may even unlock the next lesson automatically without requiring a retake. So teachers often have the ability to unlock or skip specific lessons, especially if you have already demonstrated knowledge of the material. It never hurts to ask politely if you qualify. Ask a quick warning. Avoid browser extension hacks or code injection tools. These might seem tempting, but they can get you flagged or even banned from the platform. So there you have it. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.